Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech series. Today, we're diving into the world of file sharing with Microsoft 365. Specifically, we'll be exploring how you can share files with your colleagues and coworkers using this powerful tool. Microsoft 365 is a comprehensive suite of productivity tools that includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, as well as OneDrive and SharePoint. OneDrive is your personal cloud storage, while SharePoint is a collaborative workspace that allows you to share files and folders with others. To share files with your team, simply create a folder in SharePoint and then invite your colleagues to join. This way, everyone can access the files they need, and you can easily manage permissions and access levels. So there you have it, folks. A quick and easy guide to sharing files with your team using Microsoft 365. We hope you found this helpful, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.